Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay guys, so today I'll be doing an unboxing of my new device. It's the TCL 10L. Okay, so this is a budget device selling for £199 from Argos UK. This device has some really good specs for the price. Also, if you order this device from Argos UK, you can claim a free pair of TCL earbuds. So yeah, this is the box it comes in. So we can see the device here on the front of the box. And I have the Mariana blue color. So this device has 64 gigabytes of internal storage. Here on the side we have some specs. So it has a 6.53 inch full HD plus display. Also it has NXTVISION display integrated with a dedicated display chipset. So it also has HDR, 48 megapixel triple camera, and it also has super Bluetooth audio technology. Also 6 gigabytes of RAM and a 4000 milliamp hour battery. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the seal and take a look at the device, see what else comes in the box. Trying not to cut my hands there. Okay, so here on top we have the SIM ejector tool. And we also have this little box. I'm guessing this will have the quick start guide and those things. Oh wow, we actually get a case. So we've got this quick start guide here and the safety and warranty information leaflet. So we get this nice case. It's nice that they've thrown this in with the device so I can protect the device fresh out of the box. And this case is actually pretty nice. It says display greatness. I'm guessing that's TCL's slogan. Okay, so this is the device here. TCL 10L, display greatness. Okay, so put that aside. See what else comes in the box. So we have a USB Type-C cable. So you can use this to charge the device and also to transfer data. And we also have the TLC power brick. Okay, so this is supposed to be fast charging. So this device does have fast charging, and there's nothing else in the box. That's it by the looks of things. So yeah, let's have a look at the device. Okay, so here on the back we have the triple camera setup. So we have dual flash, LED flash, and we have a 48 megapixel camera there, which is a wide angle camera. We have the 8 megapixel super wide angle camera, and also we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And here on the back we have the fingerprint reader here. TCL branding, and we've got a bit of writing down here. And like I said, this is the blue color, but it does shimmer and you can see like a little rainbow effect going on there. I don't know if you can see it. And here on the right hand side we have a volume rocker up and down. We also have the power button. I believe that's the power button there. And on the other side here we have the SIM tray. This is where you insert the SIM card and also the micro SD card. Like I said, this is the 64GB model. So you can also add a memory card as well. And here we have the smart key. And you can configure this smart key to launch applications. So if you want to use this smart key here to launch Instagram, Facebook, even launch your games, you can configure it within the settings on the device. Here on the top, we do get a headphone jack. And underneath, we have the USB port and speaker and the microphone. And wow, we also get a screen protector. Don't know if you can all see that. Let me try focusing. We actually get a screen protector. So this device is pretty much protected fresh out of the box because we've got the case and the screen protector. And we also have a 16 megapixel front facing camera as well. Okay, so I'm just going to power it on. TCL, powered by Android. Nice little boot up animation there. Forgot to mention as well, this is the depth sensor there on the back as well. First impressions, I must say the device feels pretty good in the hand. It's nice and light, it's not that heavy. The back panel is plastic, it's not glass. But trust me, it feels very nice to hold. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through the setup here. Okay, let me just put in my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so guys, TCL is a company, they specialize in smart TVs. They make some of the best displays for televisions, and I've got to say, this display for a mid-range device, this display, it's very nice. I'm just gonna show you all. You're not gonna see it on the camera, but trust me guys, this display is amazing. So it's just installing some updates there. One thing though, it is a fingerprint magnet, as you can see. It does attract fingerprints. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pop it in the case there. And it looks very nice in its case. Display greatness. Okay, so let's just skip through most of this. Okay. And this device also has face unlock as well. So it has a fingerprint lock, and it also has face unlock. So as you can see, unlock with face. This device also has NFC as well. Guys, I'm telling you, you pretty much get everything for £200. You get a big 6.53-inch display. You get Android 10, I believe it's Android 10 fresh out of the box. You get NFC, you get 6 GB of RAM, you get the Snapdragon 665 processor. You get everything for like £200. This device is definitely worth picking up. If you're looking a cheap device that can do everything, I highly recommend grabbing this device. So guys, look at the screen quality. Come on guys, look at that. It's very bright, sharp. Viewing angles are amazing. Look at that. Hold on, let me just close the blinds a bit. I want you guys to see the beauty of this display. Okay, look at this, guys. Guys, the screen is insane. I'm telling you. You have to see it for yourself. Okay, so let's take a look at the Android version fresh out of a box. Okay, so there's an update straight away. System update. Android version 10. And this is definitely going to get upgraded to Android 11. CPU Snapdragon 665, screen resolution there. And the camera, it's telling you all about the camera information there. And the battery is a 4000 milliamp hour battery. Okay, I'll install that later. Okay, so let's take a look at the applications. So this is pretty much stock Android. There's not much bloat, as you can clearly see there. Okay, so there's one game installed, MC Rebel. We can also change out the layout, I believe. Okay, so now we can see all our apps there. Okay, so it does have FM radio. And sound recorder. And if you select the smart key, you can go in here and you can configure the smart key button, like I said before, to launch any applications that you want. Let's take a look at the camera. Okay, I don't think you can rapid burst with it, but okay, so it does take nice pictures. Wow, that's nice and sharp. And when you take a picture, you will see the TCL branding there on the picture. So it will trademark the pictures. Super macro, pro mode. Okay, so there's a themes engine as well, so you can change themes. Guys, this display is amazing though. Oh god, guys, you really need to see it. Trust me, this display, it's nearly as good as my Note 10 display. No joke. Anyway, guys, I don't want to make the video too long, so I'm going to end the video here. But yeah, this is just my unboxing of the TCL 10L. Like I said, this device is £199 from Argos UK. I will leave a link to it in the description down below. And when you purchase this device, you can also claim a free pair of TCL earbuds. So yeah, stay tuned. I will be banging out some more videos on this device, so stay tuned. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like the video, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Display greatness. This device is amazing. I'm out. Deuces.